Okay, class, let's take a look at this question. The figure is formed by 5 identical semicircles. So we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. All right. And then they are asking for the diameter of each semicircle. Okay. And then the second question is asking for the perimeter of a figure using the calculator value of pi. This one is very important. Okay. Please highlight that. And then also don't forget, you need to round up your answer to 2 decimal places. Okay? All right, let's analyze this question. The first thing that you need to do is to ask yourself, what topic is this? So obviously, this is circles, correct? And which method to use, or is there any strategy, okay, for this? The answer is yes. Okay, first of all, the diameter, right, of a circle or semicircle. So let's refresh your memory. We have a circle, correct? And then if there's a center point and if there's a line that cut across the center point, that is called the diameter. Okay, so this is just to recall your concept. Okay, so this is not really a difficult question. Okay, if you take a look closely, all we need to do is just shift all the semicircles together. Okay, and this is what we usually call shifting or cut and paste method. Okay, right? And how do we do that? Let me just show you. I will first draw this line here, the yellow line. Okay, and I'm gonna redraw it here. So assuming they are the same length. Okay, right, cut and paste, right? So all the top semicircles, 1 and 2 and 3, I will shift them, okay, so that they are placed side by side. So I'll cut and paste such that they are side by side. So 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, that means we close the gap. Okay, but the gaps are not disappearing. Okay, we just merely shift it. Okay, so since we shift it together, so that means this gap here, we're gonna have to place it after the semicircle, correct? So which means from here to here is actually the 12 centimeter and the 12 centimeter. Okay? We're just like swapping places. Okay, and then we do the same to the bottom semicircles. Same thing. This one here and this one here. We're gonna place it side by side, but we start. Okay, we place it at the start. And since they're the same, identical semicircles, so it makes our job very easy. And what about the gap here? 22, 16, and 22. Okay, remember we are just shifting the position. Okay, so now that this semicircles is shifted, therefore all the length will be shifted to the other side as well. Correct? So which means from here to here is actually the 22 cm plus 16 cm and plus 22 cm. Okay? Right? And remember, we need to find the diameter. So we need to find this one here, the red color. So with this information, what do you see? Okay, just like model drawing. Okay, we want to find the red color line. So we take the total length, which is 22 plus 16 plus 22, which is 60. And then we minus off this 24. And then we shall get the red color line, which is the diameter of a semicircle, correct? Okay, so that will be our strategy. Okay, so to find the diameter, Okay, that's area of a semicircle. Oops. Okay. Our strategy is to use this length minus of 12 plus 12, which is 60 minus 24, and you shall get 36 centimeter. And ta-da, that's the answer. Okay, all right. So now we know that the diameter here is 36 centimeter. Okay. Right, for B, you are to use calculator value of pi. So please do not use 22/7. Okay, please do not use 3.14. You have to use the calculator value of pi because these three values, they have slight differences. Okay, so use whatever they requested. Okay, and then you are to find the perimeter of the figure. Perimeter means the sum of all the lines, the outer lines of a figure, which means I need to find this semicircle plus this, plus this, plus this length, plus the semicircle, and the length again, and the semicircle, the length, semicircle, and the length. So basically, we have to find the semicircle lines. There are five, okay? 5 semicircle lines, and plus all the gaps here, all the length here. Correct? So to do that, we need to know what's the formula. Okay, so the formula to find the circumference of a circle